The VaVaSoo Rocking Bassinet VB1001 is designed with safety in mind, featuring certifications from the Consumer Product Safety Commission and the American Society for Testing and Materials, along with secure locking mechanisms and breathable mesh sides. This bassinet incorporates an all-in-one motor system that provides gentle rocking motions and soothing music, with options for 5 tunes and 3 white noise settings to help calm your baby. With its remote-controlled rocking motion, the bassinet mimics a mother's comforting embrace, offering 3 different rolling speeds to ensure both the baby's comfort and the parent's peace of mind. The bassinet is equipped with mesh sides that facilitate airflow and visibility, paired with a soft mattress and fitted sheet to promote a comfortable and restful sleep for your newborn. Portability is a key feature of the VaVaSoo bassinet, as it comes with 4 universal wheels that allow for easy movement between rooms, with lockable wheels to ensure stability and safety. Assembly of the bassinet is straightforward and tool-free, making it convenient for parents, with the added benefit of a large storage basket underneath to store essential baby items.